Hello and good evening. Welcome to Optic Nest. Now, in this session, I'm going to tell you about these all eyes and lenses. This is one such product which is completely a standout product, so absolutely no competition. And the design is completely different, and no other product manufacturer has this kind of a design. So this is a totally different product for digital gadget users. Now, see, today's life is totally different. We are in front of the computers for longer and longer period of time. So even our children are in front of the computers today. So this is a digitally enhanced product. So when I say a digitally enhanced product, this is not like a normal single vision lenses. This is something which is at a different level altogether. So whenever we look at a digital gadget, our eyes converge a bit, and then we need a comfortable product. So unlike any other single vision lenses, now this particular product, in terms of technology, it is slightly more, not slightly, it is definitely more superior product. So that is why it is more enhanced product. Now, when this is completely designed, as I told you, it is designed to protect our digital strain. Now, when I look at digital strain, these are the common strain that we get. One is the dry eyes, headaches, and tired eyes, and eye strain. So if you are somebody who's experiencing all these things, you should look at Resolve Eyes and product. This is a very good product. So when it comes to the technology of the lens, see, there are three technologies that has been used here. One is Eyes and Focus. The second one is the wave technology, and the third one is the light scan technology. So what does the Eyes and Focus does? So we hold our digital gadget at certain distances, that is about 30 to 35 centimeters, and then we start viewing it. So when we start viewing it, the eyes have to converge a bit, and it has to view on the digital gadget more comfortably. So the clarity is more enhanced with this Eyes and Focus technology. Now the wave technology helps us to avoid the unwanted prism effect, so that the eyes feel more comfortable to watch the digital gadget. The third is the light scan technology. Now this is again, which is something related to the coatings and the protection. So this will avoid the unwanted blue lights and passes the essential blue light to our eyes. So the complete, all the three technology enhances the clarity, and you will feel more comfortable. So it gives you the highest protection, and your digital strain is minimalized. So this is a product for somebody who's sitting in front of the computers for a longer period of time, and I would personally recommend them to go for it, and you'll really enjoy the vision. So it need not be power prescription glasses. Even without prescription, you will still find it very, very comfortable. So please remember, all the eyes and lenses, they come with some engravings on the lens. So when you hold it at a certain distances and then tilt it, and look at it, you will find a tower. Okay, so that is nothing but it is a genuine product, and it comes as a part of the product. Okay, so you can see the authenticity of the product by looking at those engravings. Okay, and secondly, this also comes with different coating levels. If you go in for the highest protection, that is Crizal Preventia coating, so it comes with a purplish coating, so you don't have to worry. It will give you the maximum protection. So if you are somebody who's sitting in front of the computers, you are the right person for eyes and product. So please go for it, and protect your eyes from digital gadget. This is the best product. Thank you very much. All the very best.